am going to make a secret sauce. Well, not so secret. It's going to be my knockout version of the Chick-fil-A sauce, okay? You're going to really love this. I'm Chef Don McMillan. You know, we love doing these videos, and I gotta tell you, in my experience of traveling around the world, visiting over 64 countries, stopping at every continent, even teaching cooking classes on 3 different continents, I still enjoy doing all these cooking classes. I love to share them with you. So, we're gonna show you my version of the Chick-fil-A sauce that you are going to love. Let's get started. Okay, so just want to give you some facts. I hope you read the labels. Ingredients: soybean oil, sugar, barbecue sauce, corn syrup, tomato paste, vinegar, hickory, smoke flavor, caramel color, spices, garlic, onion, natural flavor, paprika, water, mustard. My goodness, you're gonna have to buy all these ingredients. I gotta tell you a few more. Egg yolks, distilled vinegar, lemon juice concentrate, mustard flour, xanthan gum, natural flavors, garlic, and calcium disodium, which is added to give you extra flavor. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it a lot easier. So, simple ingredients, okay? Ones that you can pronounce, and probably ingredients you already have at home. Mayonnaise, mustard, barbecue sauce, honey, and fresh lemon juice. Okay? Let's put it together. First of all, mayonnaise is almost a mother sauce. They don't really classify it as a mother sauce, but it's used so much in making a variety of different sauces, and we're going to add that right into here. So this is mayonnaise. I've got my little spatula here. Let's go ahead and get every drop into the bowl. Mustard. Put that right in there. As I said, these are ingredients I'm sure you have at home already. Barbecue sauce. Yes, in there as well. Honey. We love that sweetness. I know the other one said corn syrup, but hey, honey's all natural, and that's what we're about. And lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Right in there it goes. Let's go ahead and give it a good stir. Now this is a sauce that you can make up in advance. You can put it into an airtight container and store it in your refrigerator and have it whenever you love to have it, whenever you would enjoy. Okay, so let's get all this mixed up. Because the honey is in there, it's going to just take a little bit more work to incorporate it like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use my wire whip and just put all this goodness together. All right, almost ready. Just a little bit more. And there is my version, my knockoff version of the Chick-fil-A sauce. Put a plastic wrap over it, store it in your refrigerator, store it into an airtight container, and of course it's there when you want it. And as I said before, ingredients you already have at home. You can make this sauce and enjoy it, and don't have to worry about all those other things you can't pronounce on the back. You've got it. So hey, I'm Chef Don McMillan, and I love to share these recipes. I want you to put something in the comment file. Let us know if you have ever made a secret sauce before, or a Chick-fil-A sauce, if you like their sauces, or maybe you want me to make some other ones. I'd love to comment with you on that, okay? So that's really important, but please hit that like button. Also, if you haven't yet done this, subscribe. Let your friends and neighbors know, so share that with them. Tell them that, check out Chef Don, because he's just going to give you so many wonderful, helpful tips, and our recipes are always that great. You're going to know that. Hey, we've got Patreon, and we'd love for you to be a member of Patreon. Check us out on Patreon. We're going to give you such wonderful things. For example, you're going to see these videos before anybody else does. We're going to show you behind the scenes footage that nobody else is going to see at all, okay? Because you're that special. We're going to do that for you. Early access. Going to do that, as well as you're not going to be able to see any ads. Isn't that a lot? I'm telling you, that means a whole bunch. So check us out on Patreon, and remember that when you're cooking with Chef Don, it's always simple and absolutely delicious.